Hey guys, so in today's video I had a special guest, my brother Isaac. It was kind of wild, like when I made a video with my friend Josh. But with all that being said, let's get into the video. Enjoy.
Yo, what's up? Welcome to Noah's Frying Pan. Today we're going to be making butterscotch chip cookies with our special guest, my brother Isaac. Let's get cooking. Okay, we're going to start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. So, we're going to start by putting our dry ingredients into our bowl.
That'd be about 2 cups of flour.
2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay? Mix that for a stick.
For all of you who don't know, my name's Isaac. I'm his brother.
Yep.
The older, the smarter, the wiser one. The educated one.
No.
Degree.
A few moments later.
And yeah, if you got any questions, feel free to ask.
So he's mixing that up. I'll be adding our
To all my Instagram fans,
2
make
eggs
sure
into our mixer. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of water. And 1 stick of butter. And 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And we're just going to mix that in here on low speed.
That's level.
There we go.
I don't actually manage my wife.
Okay, so now what we're going to do, now that we have our wet ingredients mixed, we are going to slowly scoop in our flour as this mixes. Let's do that, stick.
So,
Careful because of the splashes.
That's how the cookie crumbles.
Slow down a little bit, stick. Okay. Let it kind of mix and then, okay.
Now we're going this side.
Yeah. Stick, you ain't gonna be my manager. So we'll just mix this in here. Just like this.
For those of you who are wondering, we're making butterscotch chip cookies.
Yes, we are. And just dump that in there. And we'll let that mix itself, and we're going to scrape down the edges. Good. And now we are going to scrape this off of here.
Austin says, how you been, brother?
Austin, hey.
And now we are going to mix in our oatmeal and our
Says hello.
butterscotch chips. Toss them in. And now we can mix this together.
Got flour on you?
No, we're good.
Or just mix this in. Okay, Stick, your turn.
Come on, muscle man.
Or we just blend it.
Because the mixer can't handle that. This whole house will be shaking like an earthquake if we did that.
Shakes like an earthquake just when you walk in the rooms. Mix doesn't have to be considered.
It just has to be mixed somewhat.
Well, what do you call this? Alright, so that's what it looks like when it's mixed.
And we're just gonna scrape this off of here. Now we're going to cover this and refrigerate this for 2 hours. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make cookies about the size of a tablespoon in the balls and put them onto our sheet. Let's get started. So, let's take our dough. Just gonna put it on here. Here, make one.
You're the one who made me mix it.
You sure you want Isaac doing that?
Why?
Yeah.
You.
Stick not that close, though. Right, like right here.
Don't let me get it. I will beat you.
No, we can see who I keep in check.
Keep him in check.
Okay, now that our oven's up to temperature, we'll put these into our oven at 350 degrees
250
for
degrees. 10 hours.
11 minutes,
16 seconds.
about.
Alright, so now that the cookies
So now that the cookies are done baking in the oven, we'll give them a taste test. Mix the dry ingredients a little bit.
Wiggly.
Just because it's still hot. Oh yeah. Scale of 1 to 10.
I'll leave it at 10.
Me too. 10 out of 10. That's for the edit, and it's out of the fridge. Let's get back to work. You know, actually we have stick. Okay.
Lentil.
Babe.
Okay.
I wouldn't actually get them.
Would you?
Burn down the kitchen again.
Bet again.
Again? When did that happen, Stick?
So,
Easter Sunday.
it was Easter Sunday. Me and my friend were making ribs.
Steaks.
Steaks, whatever. He thinks he has a bright idea. Let's take a cookie sheet. Put the steaks on a cookie sheet. Put them in the oven. Well, brilliantly, the grease from the cookie sheet and the steaks began to run down the sides of the oven. When he opened the oven, flames all over. Big fire. So, he freaks out. I'm telling the story. Big fire, flames everywhere, smoke billowing, alarms going off, babies screaming, dogs are barking. He's freaking out. I just walk into the kitchen.
Wait, did you order me?
Who's telling the story?
Stick. I don't live in Washington.
You wish you did. Now, where was I? Oh yeah. I walk in the kitchen, see the big flames, massive smoke billowing. I grab a fire extinguisher, put it out. He's like, I didn't even see that there. How'd you know that was there? I'm like, well, because I put it there. For emergencies like this.
Hmm.
And then,
That was the story of Dumb Isaac.
you